All right, today we are unboxing and showing you this toolkit. So let's see what comes inside. It says it comes with 64 bits. So this is the main toolkit. Let's open it up. Here is another little bag, so let's take a peek at what's in there. In this bag, here is, the charger. So it's USB-C to USB. And then it comes with the user manual if you're trying to figure out how to use it. And then this is the actual unit. So this piece is just magnetic, it unfolds. And you have a little matte workstation, which is really nice. We'll pull the tabs off here. Let's open this up. And then this is the kit. So this is another little like leather divider piece. These just kind of hold some padding against these. These are all the different screwdriver bits that you could use. And then up here, you have different sort of tools. So to find the screwdriver, you just get pushed in on the side, it pops out. On the end of the screwdriver, you have a USB-C for recharging. You also have a little arrow at the base that goes from lock mode to low or high. So once you turn it to like low mode, let's say, you have a forward and back, and you just hold it down and then it will screw or unscrew. So if we grab a bit, all you do is pop the bit in, clips right in. Let's say we want to go to high mode, we click up or down and it'll go forward or backwards. You can pop it over to low mode, same thing, forward or backwards. So the nice thing with this is it comes with a really nice kit, and you could just basically go through and pick out anything you want as far as different bits. There are flat heads, Phillips heads, star bits, things like that. There's even a few extra different things that, funny enough, I've never seen before, like this bit. So if you know what that is, then this is probably a really good kit for you. But overall, it comes with a really nice setup. Plus, having the little work mat is a really nice feature that comes with it. So if you're looking for a great little precision screwdriver kit that comes with everything you need to get started, you should check this out.